Jael's food and I have my food, but I asked Jael if I have some of this food. I'm gonna make it look like I ate like 90% of it. I'm gonna get my food ready. So I told him we're gonna do a mukbang, so that's why I have the laptop.
What did we eat yesterday? Did you eat my food?
I was eating and then I didn't realize how much I was eating. But I saved you some.
Maybe another one.
You can have some mine. Well, I started with after can we finish? I tried the donuts.
There's like nothing there.
There's a lot.
Dude, you ate all my food.
He's mad because I ate it all. We can just finish this in a moment.
Can we just get another one now?
I didn't get to eat mine yet.
Yeah, because you ate all mine.
You mad?
A little bit.
Sit down.
No, I want my local.
Sit down.
I'm irritated.
Because I ate all your food?
Yeah.
I love so much for you.
You know how much I eat? I thought you were gonna eat this and a couple bites of this.
You said it was not.
Yeah, but not like all of it.
It was an accident. I was hungry.
Can we just look at another one?
Please sit down.
Can we get another one first? I'm not gonna eat that.
Sit down.
Can we go get another local deluxe, please?
Please sit down. Please. Come. Follow me. Follow me.
Oh my gosh, I'm so mad. I was mad. I was like, don't ask me to sit down and eat all my food. Yeah, this is what I see, and I'm like,
I think you ate pretty.
yeah, that's fine. But I was like, this is not gonna be enough for me. I was like, I'm mad. I am mad.
I didn't think you were gonna get so mad.
I'm hungry.
Did you see it when he came out of the bath?
Yeah, that was the first thing I saw. I was just like,
You really thought I ate?
yeah, I did. I was like, don't you dare ask me to sit down after you just ate all my food.
That was a good one. That's such a good one.
Dude, I was like pissed.
I didn't think you were gonna believe me.
You made it believable. I was like, where's my food?
I wouldn't do that. You have some mine.
No, I didn't want it, so I didn't order it.
Thought of it when I asked you in the car if I could have some of your food.
Is it because you knew I was gonna poop?
Mm-hmm.
And you know I take a long time? I was about to leave. I was like, I'm gonna go.
So funny.
I was like, why are you going over? I'm not going over there.
I wanted to show you something. Make you happy.
I buy you breakfast and this is what I get. Eat all my food and then you're gonna eat yours?
Please, it's a joke. It's a joke.
It's a joke, yeah, it's a joke.
Never left.
You didn't get enough food.
Okay, bye.